It's just to test this mic. Just don't mind what I'm saying sa video. But anyways, this is November 28th. I don't think so kung last clip to. But I'm just doing my quick skincare and makeup routine. Which is hindi siya routine ba. I'm just doing my quick and easy makeup. So, ayun, nakalimutan ko pang mag-moisturizer dyan and sunscreen ata. Or nakapag-sunscreen ako, moisturizer lang hindi. But anyways, pupunta lang naman ako ng eyelash technician ko. And mag-eyelash ako because I have a lot of incoming events sa December, on the first week of December. So, yeah. And I'm just testing this mic kasi kahapon ito dumating. So, ayun lang naman. And just for an update, because I don't have any pictures after ko magpa-LS extension kasi hindi naman umabot ng December 2. And this clip naman, humahanap lang kami ng outfit namin. Okay. And umabot kami dalawa hanggang Chinatown Square, but yeah, just with my friend. Nakasama ko naman parati sa trabaho. And she's my BF. So, tumambay lang kami ng 888 just to put our fake nails extension kasi wala kaming pera magpa-nail extension. Ano ba? And ayan, nagsip-sip lang ng choco-choco. And here's my kapartagulan everyday sa office. Ayan. Akala mo naman nagtatrabaho ng maayos. Sa lang naman hinihintay. Paala-absent pa. Halaka. Chares. So yeah, that is our clip. And this is the last day of November, which is November 30. After shift, umalis kami and kumain ng lilam kasi magpapa-eyelash extension yung kasama ko nga araw-araw. Sino pa naman ba? Same mukha lang yung nakita nyo. Anyways, ayan, kumain lang kami ng lilam kasi hinihintay niyo pa yung schedule niya. Kasi nga, by schedule, kapag nagpa-appointment ka, malamang. And, ayun lang. Feeling vlogger na nagwa-vlog. Full storage naman. Anyway, yun lang. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.